Oh, my life before Goodwill. Oh man, I've been through so much, and I don't want my kids going through it. I mean, doing time and out there living that street life and all that. And I just kind of got tired of it. I'm tired of giving them my time, and I'm a single parent, and I got 8 kids to worry about, and I don't like them visiting me in there, and I like to be able to take my own showers and watch what I want to watch and eat what I want to eat. I love my freedom. So the focus program for me is where it's at because I was that person that wanted to change and I am that person that made a change in my life for my kids. Now my kids look up to me like I'm just untouchable and they just want to be like they daddy. And I tell them, no, you're going to be better than your daddy. You look at me for example.